Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a stylist with Ikea ideas. Here's my take on how to hang in a straight line. The first step is to gather what you want to hang. I like this straight line trick because it works even if you choose things that aren't squares or rectangles. Tape a straight line on your wall. It will serve as the baseline and the bottom of each piece will touch the top of the line. Make sure it's level and at a comfortable height above any furniture. When you're ready to hang, start at the end of the line. Put your first frame on the line and mark where the top is. Flip it over and measure the distance from the top and the hanging point. Now mark this distance on the wall. Then it's hammer time! Then start adding your frames, making sure there's an equal distance between each. I like to use the corner pieces from your frame packaging. When you're done, just take away the tape. That's my trick to help you get a straight line every time.